one area that's really overlooked in the kettlebell clean is just what the elbows are doing, okay? So you got two elements here in terms of the upper body and sort of directing the path of the bell, okay? So one element is the elbows, they need to be quick. The other element is the hands, right? So the hands need to be quick as well. The action of the clean is elbow strike, uppercut. Again, elbow strike, uppercut, right? So I need to be able to quickly strike that elbow back. At the same time, I'm relaxing my grip to allow my hand to slide through the handle of that bell like a glove, okay? So it's a quick action. So what we're gonna do here is look at a drill that's gonna help us to kind of understand that quick action of the clean. So you guys remember the old Western movies, right? My favorite was Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, okay? Remember that classic scene there with the standoff 3 ways? Love it. Right, so what you're gonna do here is think of yourself like an old-time gunslinger, okay? You're gonna hike that bell back. Double pistolas. Okay, notice how quick. Okay, so just do that a few times there. 3 to 5 reps, 3 to 5 times. Okay, just practice that quick action of the elbows. Okay, shooting them back, old gunslinger style. Pew pew. Right, and then from there you practice the loaded gunslinger. Gunslinger. Okay, so we're gonna set up on the bell. Again, we're gonna go pistol grip here, so handle is parallel with the leg. Back, quickly strike that elbow back, and then you're gonna catch that bell on the side of the globe. So that bell bottom should be pointing away from you. Now I'm tracing the inside of that thigh all the way up. And that is the loaded gunslinger. So give that a try. Start to understand that quick elbow. Make sure we're catching that bell with the base of it, pointing away, ta-da-da-da-da-da, ready to handle some cleans and do them right.